The reckless utterances by above counter-revolutionary thugs insulting veterans of the struggles, including serving and retired generals, must come to an end now. Let it be known that the end will be bloody and we mean it. Sanabira mashoko abuda pana mazvinzi aiwa kuramba vachita maatax kumaveterans panguva ine vari vakomana vachiti the end aiwa ichapera in bloody and vakomana they mean it. Sanabira mashoko atoona kuti panapa maveterans vakunyatsokuva vachiratidza influence yavo aiwa ku-the top leadership yenyika nobva subscribe like button on the bell kuti pina panapa mzimukamuvanika muchinzi to the veterans of the liberation struggle. In terms of the Section 23, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Amendment number 20 of 2018, the state and all institutions and agents of government at every level must accord due respect and honor and recognition to the veterans of the liberation struggle. That is to say, Part A, those who fought in the liberation struggle. Part B, those who assisted the fighters in the war of liberation struggle, the Mujibas and Chimbuidos. Part C, those who were imprisoned, detained, or restricted for political reasons during the liberation struggle. The state must take responsible measures, including legislative measures for the welfare and economic empowerment of these veterans of the liberation struggle. Would like to warn the President to clearly stay away from war veterans. They have a right to express themselves. If they feel that their constitutional rights are being infringed, we have placed surveillance on all veterans on the struggle who are speaking their minds with intention to protect them from clandestine assassination operations which are currently being planned. These guys vakomana state security, they must stay away from the veterans just because it is already stated in the constitution that the state must protect these guys. They must comply to it. Vakomana maveterans vamuri kuona vachispeaka out vachitaura vane a backing vanhu havasiri kutomboziva iri kunoka kunzi vangoda kuita any attempt to touch them zvinodhakwa. Tidzimufunga kuti kuti kuipa kusiri kuchitwa chipinda kuve sechimedu. So subscribe or like to talk there like